You have been making chicken in the wrong way your whole life. I'm gonna teach you how to make the perfect chicken today. For that, let's cook in hot water 1 chicken breast. Just 5 minutes each side of the chicken breast, alright? Reserve it, and now in a bowl, let's add 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, oregano to taste, and let's beat everything. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now let's add 100 milliliters of milk and beat everything again. This is gonna be the whole difference in this recipe. Now let's add, guys, 40 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 100 grams of cheese. Mix all again. Now take the chicken breast and let's cut it this way, as you can see on the video. And then we are going to put it in another bowl, all of this chicken. Then let's pour all of the sauce that we have just made right here. Pour it for all over this chicken and then mix it very gently. Can you imagine, guys, how juicy this chicken will be? Seriously, this is one of my favorite recipes so far. Now let's finish it with more cheese, some slices of zucchinis, red pepper, but it's totally optional, a little bit more of oregano. And before taking it to the oven, don't forget to put a little bit of oil. Now take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. But keep an eye on it, guys, because it will depend on your oven. And that's how simple and easy this recipe is, guys. My chicken here is already done. Just take a look at it, how juicy it is. This wonderful sauce that we made to put in the chicken makes totally difference. Just make it at your house that you won't regret making it. A great option for lunch or dinner. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is very relevant for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. See ya!